Welcome back to Overheat. Matilda Motorhome 2026. External design, modern and aerodynamic. Futuristic silhouette. To maximize fuel efficiency, the 2026 Matilda's outer design minimizes wind resistance. Robust and lightweight material. The aluminum alloy and carbon fiber composite used to make the RV body are both incredibly robust and lightweight. Adaptive LED lighting. Adaptive LED technology, which can change intensity, is used throughout the outside lighting system. Smart accessibility. For security, the main entry has facial recognition sensors and an automated retractable staircase. Interior, smart technology, luxury, and functionality. Modular sofa. The living room has a sofa that is modular and can be moved to create a dining or leisure space. Integrated entertainment system. When necessary, a sizable, pliable old panel that is concealed in the wall can be elevated. Kitchen complete with a full-size 2-door refrigerator, freezer with ice maker, integrated convection oven, microwave, and an efficient induction cooktop. Smart storage system. Drawers and cabinets have a repositionable smart organizer and a soft close mechanism. King-size bed. A king-size memory foam mattress with firmness adjustment is included with the master bed. Sustainability and performance. Hybrid electric powertrain option. To reduce emissions and operating expenses, the 2026 Matilda can be equipped with either a plug-in hybrid or a fully electric drivetrain. Adaptive suspension. An air suspension system that adapts automatically to different terrains to offer the most comfortable ride. Large fresh and gray water tanks with a gray water recycling system for effective reuse are part of the intelligent water management system. High-quality thermal insulation on the walls, floor, and roof keeps the interior temperature steady and minimizes the need for excessive heating or cooling. An automatic energy management system controls how much energy is used by backup generators, high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, and solar panels.